Alright guys, back again with Cord. We got Random Break Tuesday, 2015 Collegiate Draft Picks Football. 2 boxes coming at you, brother. Good luck, good luck. All your collegiate collecting needs right here. You got it. Speaking of new football products, Prizm football comes out tomorrow. If we hit a Tom Brady, oh my god. Dude, that's got to be like an omen right there, right? Literally the first top base card, Tom Brady. It's got to be an omen. That would be the craziest thing ever. Alright. Start off with a Gamecock. Alshon Jeffrey. Matt Jones. Florida Gators. Washington Redskins. Clive Wolford. Stained glass look. Josh Gordon. No longer in the league. Autograph, Rashad Green. Vince Mailey. Alshon Jeffrey blue. That's numbered to 75. Come on. Cody Fajardo. Base autograph. And you get his rookie too there. LaMarcus Joyner, All-American insert. Michael Pruitt. It's numbered to 99. And Colin Kaepernick. Refractor. Box 2. Hey, you know, I was actually about to say the exact same thing. I see why these boxes are $23 on the website. Oh, I don't think it can get any worse than that. It can go up from there. Oh, boy. Alright, box 2. Andre Johnson, refractor. Leonard Williams, defense. Andrew Luck. AJ Can. And autograph. Amir Abdullah. That's not terrible. Corn Huskers. Paul Dawson, All-American. Odell Beckham, refractor. Then we got little tie-dye autograph here. Cedric Ogbuhi. Boom. That was not numbered? Really? I thought for sure that was going to be numbered. No numbering on that, though. Tyler Lockett. DeRon Brown. It's number 75. Mario Edwards Jr. Refractor to finish it up. All right, Cord. That was exhilarating, buddy. I appreciate it. Take care.